Hello everyone, welcome to Hacking 101. Learn to hack like a pro. In this video, we're going to explore ethical hacking and cybersecurity, and the importance of securing our digital world. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, is the practice of identifying security vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, or applications, with the goal of improving security measures. Ethical hackers use the same methods as black hat hackers, but with permission and for a legitimate purpose. Why is ethical hacking important? Ethical hacking plays a critical role in cybersecurity by helping to identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. By finding and fixing these vulnerabilities, we can prevent cyber attacks, protect our personal data, and safeguard our digital infrastructure. Tips and tricks for ethical hacking. Keep up to date with the latest security trends. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Attend industry conferences, read security blogs, and take online courses to stay current. Understand the tools of the trade. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. Some of the most common tools include port scanners, vulnerability scanners, and password crackers. Familiarize yourself with these tools and how to use them effectively. Think like a hacker. To be an effective ethical hacker, you need to think like a hacker. This means understanding how attackers think, what motivates them, and how they exploit vulnerabilities. By understanding the hacker mindset, you can better anticipate and prevent attacks. Practice safe hacking. Ethical hacking should always be done with permission and in a controlled environment. Never attempt to hack into a system or network without permission, as this could lead to serious legal consequences. Get certified. There are a number of certifications available for ethical hackers, including the Certified Ethical Hacker (CE) certification from the International Council of E-Commerce Consultants (EC Council). These certifications demonstrate your expertise and credibility in the field. Ethical hacking is an essential component of cybersecurity and plays a critical role in protecting our digital world. By following these tips and tricks, you can learn to hack like a pro while maintaining ethical standards and help to make our digital infrastructure more secure. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Follow, like, subscribe.